Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. If you are an engineering student and looking for an internship program, then yes, DRDO is having something for you. What you need to do, you need to visit the official website drdo.gov.in, and here you can see, okay, DLRL Hyderabad invites application for the paid internship scheme of DRDO. Okay, here they mention this advertisement published on the 16th April. Form filling already started and the last date for apply will be 15th May 2026. Here you can see advertisement and application form available. Once you will click here, it will download and you can apply. Even here you can go for the view. So you can go for the view as well, right? So this is the advertisement. Let's talk about this one here. So what is this? This is advertisement for the paid internship BE Tech. Defense Electronics Research Laboratory, that is DLRL, is a premier research laboratory under DRDO Ministry of Defense. Okay, they are going to okay, if you are looking for the internship, then DLRL is offering internship in the following discipline for the students who are going to the final year BE Tech in the academic year 2026-27. Now if you will be in the final year, then this is for you. Electronics and Communication Engineering 40 vacancies, Computer Science 25 vacancies, and Mechanical Engineering 10 vacancies they are having here. Okay, let's see. Interested candidates may submit the application in the prescribed performa, which is mentioned here only, okay, with referral or sponsorship letter from the respective college. Terms and condition they mention here. What is this? The students who are going to the final year BE Tech in the academic year 26-27 can apply for this internship. Students with backlogs are not eligible. The duration of this paid internship is for the 6 months starting from 1st July 2026 tentatively. And yes, they will give you some stipend also. So stipend of total rupees 30,000 will be paid in 2 installments, rupees 15,000 after completion of 3 months and rupees 15,000 after completion of 6 months. देखो यहाँ बात अमाउंट की नहीं है, यहाँ बात है if you really want to learn okay something from the DRDO type of institute, तो यहाँ आपके पास एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. If you are an engineering student जो कि थर्ड ईयर में है, अब आप फाइनल ईयर में आए हैं, तो यहाँ आपके पास एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. ठीक है, अटेंडेंस ऑफ मिनिमम 15 days in a month. ठीक है, so other expenditures such as lodging, boarding, transport, medical, if any will be borne by the individual concerned only. ठीक है, students who do not complete the 6-month internship will not be awarded the internship certificate. ये भी इन्होंने बोल दिया है. Completion of the internship does not guarantee employment. ठीक है, ये तो बोल ही रहे हैं. Number of vacancies increase हो सकती है. Selection to the internship, the candidate is required to obtain police verification also. ठीक है, selected students have to submit no objection certificate from the principal on college or on college letterhead mentioning that the student will be relieved for internship at DLRL. मतलब आपको कॉलेज से परमिशन तो लेनी ही होगी. ठीक है, हैदराबाद एंड दैट द स्टूडेंट विल बी प्रेजेंट फॉर द मिनिमम 15 वर्किंग डेज इन अ मंथ. मतलब मंथ में आपको 15 डेज वहां मिनिमम जो है अवेलेबल रहना होगा. ठीक है, selection process, the selection will be based on the merit, that is based on the cumulative marks percentage CGP obtained up to the third year first semester and interview interaction if required. ठीक है, two candidates having the same तो फिर date of birth के हिसाब से लेंगे. Selected students will only be notified about the joining procedure. ठीक है, जिनका selection होगा उनको ही बताएंगे. Candidate shall apply for the internship in the prescribed form only, जो इन्होंने mention किया है यहाँ पे. ये official website which I show you earlier. ठीक है, ये रहा. आपको इस फॉर्म को इस पे सेंड करना है. इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंट में सबमिट फुली ड्यूली फिल्ड इन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म विद द एनक्लोजर टू फॉलोइंग एड्रेस. ये एड्रेस मेंशन किया है इन्होंने यहाँ पे. लास्ट डेट फॉर रिसिप्ट इज 15th May. अभी आपके पास टाइम है. इफ यू वांट यू कैन अप्लाई. ठीक है, यहाँ लिखा है, ये रहा आपका फॉर्म. तो ये फॉर्म का परफॉर्मा भी और एड्रेस भी मेंशन किया है. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस इंटर्नशिप देन श्योरली यू कैन अप्लाई. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है लर्निंग के लिए, एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए DRDO जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को. थैंक यू.